What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Guys, I'm very excited because today I got my first piece of medical test equipment from the BC group. I have the SA-2600. This is their touchscreen electrical safety analyzer, and I'm sitting here making my notes because I'm going to be making training content on all their various devices that they produce, and I noticed the detail on this guy that I bet you a lot of you guys missed, and I'm actually kind of excited about this because this is one of those things that really can make a difference in somebody's life. Especially if you're a field service technician, you're out there on the go, and maybe you only have one hand available. I think this is a perfectly good fix. So let's take a look at the SA-2600. This is BC Group's latest electrical safety analyzer. It's touchscreen. It's got automated testing. Folks, there's a lot of detail to this guy, and I'm sitting here and I'm making educational content to help instruct and guide everybody through using test equipment better through automated tests. And I go through all the details on all these devices, and one of the details I noticed was actually kind of staggering. Now, staggering is kind of an interesting choice of words because that's exactly what I'm going to talk about today, is those ECG posts. Take a look at that. So not only are they at two different heights, unlike older electrical safety analyzers, but they're also staggered. I really dig that. Now, the real thing that makes these really impressive, I'm going to do this with one hand. How many electrical safety analyzers can you do that to? In fact, I can go really quickly. Now, why is it that I can do that? Just like that. And it's obviously making a really good connection. It is because inside this electrical safety analyzer on these posts, there is a spring-loaded stainless steel ball detent, and it automatically adapts to the various diameters of banana posts, and it allows you to use one hand to insert your post and secure it correctly, and just likewise one hand to remove it. Now, traditionally we've had these screw down caps, and the posts, not only are they a thinner diameter, which makes them more susceptible to snapping off, as you guys all have seen, but these caps can just come unscrewed, and if you take a look, it's already breaking because it's plastic. Plastic just does not like being used year and year and year. So folks, I know that you guys have seen many of these type of ECG posts. We have them on all sorts of devices going back about 2 decades. I got some over here to my left. I got some to my right. I just brought this guy out as an example for the Meditester. But not even the Meditester can say that they have chamfered openings. That's right, folks. Chamfered is that little cut that they make at the edge of both the tops and the bottom of all those ECG posts, which makes it so that you can easily insert the plug with one hand. The ball detent does all the rest of the work by securing the cable and ensuring a proper connection. It's the details, folks. Less moving parts mean less things are going to break. Well, there you have it, folks. Just a little video about the details. I'm going to be doing more videos on the SA-2600 coming up. I've got one video already been produced. It's been out for a while. I'm going to do an updated video, and I'm going to show you guys how to run your SA-2600 with automated tests. Maybe even do some videos on automated tests between the old and the new. Do some time trials. Let's see how long it takes us to do electrical safeties. Thanks for watching, guys. It's the details that matter.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.